Let us understand how to create a custom image using the from keyword. So that's going to be the very base starting point. So I'm going to create a Docker file. Let me get into the demo. Let me go ahead and create a dedicated directory. Let me get into the directory demo from, and I'm going to create a sample file. By default, the file should be Docker file where D is capital letter, or I can have my own custom file as well. Let me go ahead and give a custom file demo underscore from. Here I am going to have the content, so I will have the keyword from, and what is the image that I wanted to use. So I can use any of the existing image available from the registry, or I can have my own custom image as well. For the test purpose, I am going to use the Alpine, which is the very base Linux image. Say Alpine. Let me save this particular file. So I do have this particular demo underscore from file. I'm going to use this particular file and do a build. Let me go ahead and issue the docker build command, docker image build. Let me tag the image as demo underscore from. Let me add the tag 1.0 to it. And the file that I wanted to use is demo underscore from. In case if I am having the file name as Docker file, I don't need to provide this. And the file is from the current location. So this is going to look for this particular image. If it is not available, it will pull the image from the registry and it's going to create the new image and tag it with the name that we have provided. Let me go ahead and list the images available. Docker image ls. So here I do have the image that we have built upon. And in case if I want to inspect what is the detail of this particular image, I can use the command docker image inspect and then the image name docker underscore from and add the tag to it. So I will have all the details of this particular image in terms of what are all the environmental variables and what's going to get executed. And we are going to have detailed discussion on all these details. Now let me go ahead and execute the command history. Docker history demo underscore from and then the tag. So basically it added this particular file. This is the hash, this is the Alpine, and it executed the shell in this particular image. So this is how the history looks like. Once we see the other verbs of the Docker file, we will get more details about this particular history. The history will be helpful to understand what are all the layers added into that specific image. Now I can go ahead and create my own image from this particular custom image. Now I can go ahead and create a new image using the keyword from. In a quick summary, we have seen how to use the from keyword to start or to use an image as the base to build the image using the Docker build.